Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the impressed nails. These are luxury press-on nails that I found on Amazon. They have a few different types, but I am going to be reviewing them today and just kind of briefly showing you how I put them on and just basically what I think about them and if I think they're worth it. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. This is something that I was gifted through an Amazon wish list that I had, and I really want to try them out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these nails turn out, if you're sick of spending so much money at the shop but you want nice nails, watch this video. These are nails that I typically like to wear because, especially with my job, I can't always have long nails, and I love long nails. So even if you like long nails, short nails, there's plenty of variety when it comes to press-on nails. You can have them when you want them, and you can take them off when you don't want them. So that's the beauty of it. This is the box that it comes in. It says impressed on the front. It comes with a letter from the company just talking about that they really hope that you're impressed with the nails and, you know, blah, 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 blah. Leave them a review. So then it comes with the stick-on, like press-on glue for your nails. This, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't ever use these because they don't last as long as the glue. So the glue that I'm going to be using today is this one right here. This is the one I'm gonna be using today from Kiss. I got this from Amazon too, but this is the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue, and it's supposed to set in seconds. I typically get ones that set in seconds because when you're on the go and you need to like get this done, it shouldn't be a long process. It really works. So, and I find that it holds for like a few days, so you'll be good. Underneath this beautiful cushion are the nails. So this is what the nails look like. I'm gonna get a little closer. So here are the nails. They do have a few that have some iridescent stones, and then the rest are like a gray marble. Lighten it a little bit so you guys can see it. They do have a few different options on Amazon, so take a look and see which ones you guys like, but I just like these because I feel like it would go with pretty much everything. So since it is my birthday, today's my birthday, I've been filming quite a bit today, I am gonna put these nails on and enjoy myself. So that is why I'm putting them on. And they should last me a few days before work starts again on Monday. It's Friday today. But I really like press-on nails because you could just literally pop them off within seconds. So how I like to do this is I like to get myself like a little flat station, whether it's a table or this will work just fine. I'm actually gonna use this so that I can show the camera what I'm doing. But I like to take the nails out and just obviously measure them out and make sure I'm getting the correct ones and putting them in a row so that I know what I'm doing when I'm going to glue them on. So underneath the nail, if you flip it around, there are tiny numbers towards the top, and it just helps you with that process. So like, this is nail number 2, this is nail number 2. I know they're the same. These are gonna be my thumbnail. I put that down and then I move to the next nail. So that's how I kind of do it. Oh, these stone nails are beautiful. If you've been watching my channel, you guys know the struggle that I have with finding a consistent nail shop. I'm very picky when it comes to my nails, and I'm sure a lot of people out there understand. You pay a lot of money for your nails. You don't want them to look like crap. You want them to look nice. And you see all these different pictures on like Pinterest and Instagram and stuff, and you walk into a shop, and when I go, I don't know if it's just me, but there's always a reason why my nails can't look the way that they are in the picture, or somebody doesn't know how to do them or something like that. And it's really annoying because as a nail tech, I understand not everyone is equipped to doing like a certain type of nail, but you kind of have to be up to date. Like, that's your field. You should be up to date on how to do certain things. And if not, maybe you should like learn, especially if your customer is asking for it. Anyway, it's a struggle. What I do like right off the bat is there's glue strips in here so the nails stick right on, and when you're done using them, like here's me taking a nail off, if I'm done using it, Or maybe like this isn't the right one, let me get another one. It's so easy to put it back on and it's nice and neat. The nails aren't going everywhere. I've never seen a nail company that does this. I don't know, they're probably not the only nail company that does, but this is the first one I've ever tried that does, and I really like that. Here are my nails. Can't tip it too much, otherwise it's gonna move, but so I kind of just did, they're stacked on top of each other. That's why you only see 5, but there's 2 nails here for my thumb, my pointer, or my index, middle finger, ring finger, and then my pinky. So they're all here in a row, so I know exactly what I'm doing when I go to glue. And there was a mishap with the glue, okay? Right before this video, I left my other bottle of this on the table, and my dog, he's looking at me like, what? He tried to eat it. And he got a little bit like on his fur right here, so I'm gonna have to like cut it off because I know it's gonna bother him. But thank God he didn't eat it. Now I'm going to, I like this glue also because you don't have to, sometimes when you order these, like you have to pierce it and it gets messy. It's already like ready to go. What I like to do is I like to take the glue and put it on my real nail. And you don't have to squeeze much. Like it kind of just like comes out. And then you turn the press on around and you just stick it on. And I like to make sure that it's pressed back towards my cuticle, and I really press down and wait about 10 seconds or so, and then I let go and it should stick. But if you don't press it towards your cuticle, it's not gonna look real. So I like to make sure that it's pretty pressed down. It's already sticking. And there you go. It's on, and it's on there. Like, it's not going anywhere. Like, this nail glue is awesome. All right, so that's one. I'm going to continue to do the rest in that, you know, format. I'm just going to speed it up so you guys don't have to suffer through me doing it. My fingers got stuck together. It happens, you guys. Oh my God. What I normally do when that happens, because it kind of leaves like a weird hard film on your skin, is just finish doing the rest of your nails. Try to be as neat as you possibly can. But finish doing the rest of your nails, and then I take a filer and I kind of just file it as much as possible. And then that's it. I wash my hands, I put a little bit of cream on, and even if it's still there the tiniest bit, it'll go away, like within a day. It just try to be as neat as possible. That's the only thing you could do. All right, you guys, so my nails are done. Look at these nails. You guys see them? I literally look like I went to the salon. I love long nails like this. This is about as long as I'm gonna go, because it's gonna be hard for me to do anything today. It's gonna be a little while for me to get used to it, but after like a day of having them, I'm already used to it. So these nails are freaking gorgeous. Another pro tip: carry your glue around with you. And I really like this bottle for that reason, because it's a twist cap, so it's not coming off unless you twist it open. So you're not going to get glue everywhere unless your dog gets it. Carry your glue around with you if you're going out in case your nail comes off. Then you could just replace it. Also, I don't know how, I'm going to end up updating you guys in the bottom bar on how long my nails last. Once one of them pops off, I'm going to let you know how long it has been. But you can always re-glue it back on and just like keep doing it for as long as you want. However, I usually, I'm not gonna lie, I typically get maybe like 3 or 4 good wears out of a set of nails before the glue builds up on the nails so much that you can't use it anymore. Sometimes with specific press-on nails, like these are really long, if you hit your nail against something, sometimes the nails are kind of thin, they will bend, and it kind of makes a line in the nail, and then you'll be able to see it. but you have so many left over that you can just get a new one. So I'll have to tell you guys specifically about these and how they perform. But these are fire, like so nice. This is what I want my nails to look like when I leave a shop, for them to last at least 3 weeks or 2.5 weeks, and then me getting my nails done. I usually only like to get them done once a month. I can't find a shop that can do it. If you guys can recommend one to me, I'm in the New Jersey area, let me know. These are definitely it. I really like these, and the best part is the price. These nails are $16. $16. $16 for this. And you can literally put them on whenever you want them, look awesome, like you went and got your nails done. If you have like a fancy event, even if you're not a nail person, everybody likes to have like their nails all cute and stuff for certain events. So maybe a wedding, or you know, your baby shower, or something big. Maybe it's just your birthday, like me, and you want to just look a little extra, you know, nice. This is perfect. This is awesome. And I do believe they have different types. So this, again, this is the gray marble color. They have matte black, French nude, matte white, pink, and pink marble. But take a look at the nails, because it looks like they have different sizes. Like this looks like really long, but there's another one on here that doesn't look like it's as long. You might want to check out the different varieties that they have. You could also probably cut these if they are a little long. It might be a little hard with the ones with the stones, but I don't see why you can't try to cut them, and then you might have to replace a stone or two with the glue. So you could always try to improvise. You can file, you can like do a bunch of stuff to make it fit you, but this, you guys, this is me. I love it. I 100%, I'm gonna recommend these already, because for $16, these nails are beautiful. Whether they last me 2 or 3 days or 2 weeks, I think that these are worth it. I think you should try them if you're into press-on nails. The experience is really nice, and I can't even tell you, I'm gonna get compliments on these nails. So I'm gonna update you guys in the bottom bar about the length of time that it took for a nail to pop off and how they wore. But until then, I'm gonna stay fabulous and cut my dog's beard because he's got the glue all over him. So I gotta go, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, don't forget, follow me on all my social media, which I have linked somewhere. It'll probably be like on the bottom or on the top somewhere. Follow me on all my social media. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the post notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
And we're back. I just moisturized my hands and like exfoliated them and everything before this video, and they're still dry. I need to drink water. Since it's my birthday, everybody's like kind of texting and hitting me up. I feel special. I think I put way too much glue on this. Yeah, this is gonna be lasting me until like next week. What makes me sad is looking at all the rest of the nails that I won't be able to use.